How to recover deleted follow request on Instagram. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted follow request on Instagram. If you've ever sent a follow request and later forgot who you sent it to, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings and activity. Now scroll down and tap on your activity. Now look for download your information. Tap on it. Here what you need to do is simply tap on download or transfer information at the top. Here choose whether you want all available information or some of your information. And I'm gonna be choosing media and also followers and following and contacts. Once you've done that, simply tap on next. Now you can simply download all of the stuff to device or simply transfer to certain destination. You can choose where to and how often. Once you've done that, you'll receive the email from Instagram. You can simply open it and download the information over there. And that's it. Now you know how to simply check and recover deleted follow request on Instagram.